Raise your hand if you thought Nokia died somewhere around 2012. I don't blame you. For most of us, Nokia is a nostalgic memory. The company that made indestructible brick phones with the Snake game. When Apple dropped the iPhone in 2007, Nokia got caught sleeping. They missed the smartphone wave entirely. Their market share evaporated, and the world assumed that they went bankrupt and faded into the tech graveyard. Well, I have some news that might snap your neck. Nokia didn't die. They just secured a massive $1 billion investment from the most valuable, ruthless, and forward-thinking tech company on the planet right now, NVIDIA. NVIDIA just bought a 2.9% stake in Nokia, the company you thought was dead. Hi, मैं हूं कोटा साहब, and let's get this cleared up. You thought Nokia went bust because they stopped selling you phones. But they didn't go bankrupt. They went B2B. They looked at the smartphone war, realized they had lost, and decided to stop fighting over the devices in our hands. उन्होंने उन devices को चलाने वाले invisible airwaves पर focus किया. आज Nokia 5G networks, fiber infrastructure, cloud systems, data centers networking और telecom equipment में एक massive global player है. वो effectively modern internet की plumbing बन चुके. They are currently engineering the backbone of 6G. They aren't selling you a phone anymore. They are selling telecom operators the massive infrastructure required to keep your phone connected. और अब इस plumbing network में entry हो गई है AI King NVIDIA की. NVIDIA Nokia में $1 billion का massive investment कर रहा है. इस डील से NVIDIA को Nokia में 2.9% stake मिल रहा है, यानी करीब 166 million shares. But Jensen Huang doesn't just hand out $1 billion for nostalgia. ये कोई छोटा मोटा bet नहीं है. ये एक major partnership है जिसका एक क्लियर मकसद है दुनिया के AI powered 5G और 6G नेटवर्क्स को बिल्ड करना. So why does the undisputed king of AI chips need a telecom infrastructure company? It comes down to bandwidth and bottlenecks. NVIDIA is building AI models that process mind-boggling amounts of data. But AI is only as fast as the network it travels on. If you have a supercomputer brain but a dial-up nervous system, the whole body fails. NVIDIA is investing in Nokia to pioneer something called AI RAN, which is Artificial Intelligence Radio Access Network. वो फंडामेंटली NVIDIA की इंसेन कंप्यूटिंग पावर को Nokia के टेलीकॉम इक्विपमेंट और डेटा सेंटर्स के साथ मर्ज कर रहे हैं. They are building networks that use AI to heal themselves, route data instantly, and handle the crushing weight of tomorrow's AI applications at the edge. NVIDIA को एक क्लियर, अनचोक्ड हाईवे चाहिए और Nokia उन्हें वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दे रहा है. Now, there is a master class in survival here. Whether you are building a startup, managing a career, or running a massive enterprise, Nokia's timeline is the ultimate playbook. Here's what we need to learn from them. It does not matter if you are the undisputed king of your industry today. In 2006, Nokia controlled over half the global smartphone market. A few years later, they were fighting for scraps. If you fail to keep up with structural shifts, the market will erase you without a second thought. When you lose, the loudest thing you can do is go quiet. Nokia didn't waste time trying to build a knockoff iPhone. They took their remaining capital, pivoted hard into infrastructure, kept their heads down and focused. If you put your ego aside and build where the actual value is, you can define the next decade. NVIDIA's investment proves that AI isn't just going to live in a chatbot on your screen. It is going to be baked into the physical infrastructure of our cities, our cell towers, and our fiber lines. If your business isn't preparing to integrate with AI at a structural level, you are already falling behind. अब इस $1 billion मैरिज से हमारी दुनिया और नेटवर्क्स में क्या बदलाव आएंगे? यहाँ कुछ स्ट्रक्चरल चेंजेस हैं जो हमें देखने को मिलेंगे. अब सेल टावर सिर्फ डम पाइपलाइंस नहीं रहेंगे जो पैसिव होकर डेटा राउट करते हैं. हर टावर में एक मिनी AI डेटा सेंटर बन जाएगा जो डेटा को एज पर बिना लेटेंसी के प्रोसेस करेगा. हम ऐसे नेटवर्क्स देखेंगे जो AI का यूज करके खुद को हील कर लेंगे और डेटा को इंस्टेंटली रूट कर पाएंगे. अगर कनेक्शन ड्रॉप होने वाला होगा तो सिस्टम के AI एजेंट्स आपको रियलाइज होने से पहले ही उस फॉल्ट को प्रेडिक्ट कर लेंगे और फिक्स कर लेंगे. ये डील 6G का ब्लूप्रिंट सेट कर रही है. 6G won't just be about faster speeds, it will be about intelligence. फिजिकल टेलीकॉम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और AI का ये इंटीग्रेशन सीधे तौर पर स्मार्ट सिटीज, मैसिव IoT नेटवर्क्स और रियल टाइम ऑटोनोमस सिस्टम्स को पावर करेगा. लुक, द टेक इंडस्ट्री इज रूथलेस. It doesn't care about your legacy. And it certainly doesn't care about your feelings. But Nokia proves that a brutal defeat doesn't have to be a death sentence. It can be the catalyst for a massive evolution. The company that brought you the Snake game is now partnering with NVIDIA to build the AI nervous system of the planet. This is the power of the pivot. Keep building, keep pivoting, and I'll see you in the next one. Tab tak ke liye, let's keep it clear.